Want to keep your Telegram group chats more organized and easier to follow? Telegram has a topics feature that helps separate conversations into categories. First, open the Telegram app on your phone and go into the group chat where you want to enable topics. Once inside the chat, tap on the group name or profile picture at the very top of the screen to open the group settings. In the settings page, look for the small pen icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to access editing options for the group. If you don't see the topics feature here, it usually means your Telegram app needs to be updated to the latest version. After opening the editing options, you'll notice a section called Topics. Tap on it, and then switch the slider on to activate the feature. Once it's enabled, you'll be asked to pick between two layouts for how topics will be displayed, either as tabs at the top or in a list view. Choose the option that works best for your group, then go back to the main chat. Now you'll see a bar at the top of the group showing default topics. You can tap on any of them to jump into a specific thread and read or reply only to messages related to that subject. If you'd like to add your own custom topic, tap the tab button in the top left corner of the chat, then choose Plus New Topic. Enter a name for your new topic and tap Create. A fresh conversation thread will now appear under that topic, separate from the rest of the chat. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe for more helpful tips.